Alright, so I have something a little special for today. So basically, I'm going through many of my videos and just basically rating them art-wise and also film-wise. And I had a regular cutie on the other day, which was my little puppy when we got him. I thought that was adorable. So I thought I would show you one of my biggest projects right here, which is a hidden castle. And we're just going to basically rate the build on this and see what it's like. So we're starting off building a wall right here. By the way, if you guys would like to view any of these videos, they are available in the description down below. Scrolly, up you go. Right, okay, so we have the wall coming through right here, and it's mainly the wall, just about here. The quality's not that great because it's an older video, but we can see that we have tiled floors right here. I'm just going to go ahead and advance this. And we can see that we have this wall being built right here. If I was going to rate this out of 5, I would say this wall is definitely 5. The graphics are absolutely amazing. I would love to know which version of Blender this is. This is amazing. Compared to the details of the rest of them. Now we're making the landscape at the sides. As I said, if you guys want to watch this all the way through, you are more than welcome to with the links down below. And if you guys could hit that subscribe button, I would greatly appreciate it too. So this is where the castle is going to sit. So if you've never seen this video, the camera pans around here and then you get to see the castle through the archway. But it doesn't exist at the top. So like this. So it pans around and then it comes through just to here. I think I've got the full video, so you know, maybe I can add that to the end of this video. So we come through the archway, we have the glowing runes that come out, and then we see the castle. I absolutely adore this. This is great. This is the type of work that I want to do right now. Yeah, this was a good couple of years ago actually. Oh, I miss that. I really do. Alright, yeah, I'm going to go find the full video and then I'm going to go ahead and post it at the end of this one. Yeah, 2 seconds. Alrighty, for those of you who wanted to see this, this is the way that the project goes. So, we don't have a castle. And it sweeps around to the back right here. And then it should go through the archway. And then Magic Castle appears. This was one of the greatest pieces that I made. And the runes appear there. And there's your castle. And then it pans back around to show you that the castle's disappeared. Amazing little piece. I'm going to give this 5 out of 5. Look at that. Bye-bye goes the castle. And then we're back up on the heath to the ruins. How neat is that?